5 unexpected signs your manifestation is on its way. Synchronicity. Many people will overlook this. But be aware, because when you start to see the same things showing up over and over, it is a definite sign you are getting close. The universe has very special ways in which to communicate with us. Synchronicity will happen every day, however it is easy to bypass if you're not aligned. This is why we meditate or use vision boards, affirmations, etc. These are the tools that will help us to get on the same page with the universe, where we can now see the signs as clear as day. Your manifestations are getting closer when you start to see certain things or numbers all the time. 111, 222, 333. It could be in animals showing up all the time on your walks in the park. There are so many ways these signs will show up. Our job is to feel good and be grateful and kind. Try to stay positive as much as you can, for this is key in being able and ready to receive the things you have been asking for. Example. I once had a rabbit show up around the same time every day. I never fed the little guy. I would just be sitting out on the porch, and around 3 p.m. here he would come right up, sniff around and run off like clockwork. I started to say thank you for coming to see me. My kids thought I was weird, but for some reason this just felt good. Needless to say, I was working on a very complex online project at the time, and it was becoming very frustrating. Well, 3 o'clock one day I went out to meet my friend, but he did not show up. The next 2 days still no show. My kids thought maybe something happened to the little guy, but I never had that feeling. Well, the next time I went on my computer to work, I decided to rename the project Rabbit Fast, and that little change sent this program into a bidding war. Offers were coming left and right from people wanting to buy the site. I made a significant amount of money on that deal. I saw the signs clear. I was able to see it, feel it, and build confidence around a rabbit. The universe will show you signs. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I release new videos.